Hey team, Tim here. I've been noticing Rust popping up everywhere, and except for Australia and New Zealand, and I'm kind of wanting to change that. At ServerlessDays ANZ, there is going to be a series of workshops talking about Rust and the Rust programming language in a serverless environment. Serverless is one of the best places for Rust because it's extremely fast to run, and your customers will benefit from significantly lower latencies. But the real benefit, we can talk about cost all the time. The real benefit will be that your programmers, your developers are going to have a better day. People love programming in Rust. It has been voted the world's most loved or most admired programming language for like 8 years in a row. Australia and New Zealand are sort of behind the curve in adopting this technology. Let's change that. I am looking forward to seeing you at ServerlessDays ANZ, either in Sydney or Auckland. You choose. Maybe both.